Check this out. I used to use something like this kosher salt while cooking. A lot of people would use iodized salt like this, but I don't use them anymore. I use a better for you salt like unrefined salt, Celtic sea salt, or Himalayan pink salt. Why? Because these salts are actually bleached, processed, and refined if you look at the ingredients. But when you swap this kind of salt for unrefined salt, this will have 70 to 90 other minerals that actually make the salt taste better and doesn't spike your blood pressure the way refined salt does.
This is what happens when you get your information from the Washington Post. That's cool. First of all, table salt is literally white, it doesn't need to be bleached. Next, he said there's 70 to 90 minerals in Himalayan salt. But remember, these are trace minerals. Himalayan salt does contain more potassium and calcium, but you know what this actually means? You would need to eat 3.7 pounds of pink Himalayan salt to obtain your daily intake of potassium. If you're consuming that much salt, you've got other problems, trust me. Lastly, he says unrefined salt like Himalayan does not increase blood pressure, but refined salt does. Well, there aren't any English studies done on this topic, so I had to take school abroad to South America to find this Brazilian research group, who have conducted 2 control studies like this one to assess the effects of these salts on blood pressure. A little Google Translate of the paper found, surprise surprise, no differences in systolic or diastolic blood pressure. The same researchers also did a study in 2020. Once again, no significant difference between the consumption of Himalayan or table salt in blood pressure measurements. And look at this. Thus, its use for the benefit of blood pressure continues without scientific basis. Salt is salt. Class dismissed.